I gotta load the car up with everything. What's up, guys? Today I have a big day ahead of me. It's a big day. I'm going to do a film right now, and then there's an engagement party that we're hosting for one of our best friends. So it's gonna be really exciting. I'm really stoked for it. My car is very foggy. I was just like running up and down the stairs, making sure I got everything, I brought everything, I have everything. And now I'm driving to the location where we are filming. So this is like a little like independent film. It's not union or anything. It should be really fun. It's just like a few page script. It's kind of like cheeky and like really campy and fun. So I'm doing 2 aliens. They're gonna be really bright, punchy colors. Yeah, I'm really excited. It should be a good time. I also made a little smoothie for today. Health, right? I don't know. So what we got, so on the right, elf ears, a bald cap. And then just tilt your head back from you, like put your head straight for me, yeah, and then tilt it back a wee bit. Perfect. Maybe a little bit. No, actually straight more. Perfect.
Nice clean back of the neck. That's one of the reasons my wife married me, yes. She looked for a man with nice smooth neck. Having the kids taken away or something stupid like that, you know?
Yeah. Just tilt your head back for me.
The exfoliating procedure. So I made up a couple jokes.
You made them up?
I made up 2 jokes that I'm quite proud of. One's a religious joke. You're not religious, are you? No. Good. Knock knock.
Who's there?
Jesus Christ.
Jesus Christ who?
And that's why you're going to hell.
Oh, okay. I can tell you made it up. Sorry. I mean, that was funny.
Thanks. You gotta say it with a real right-wing smile on your face when you say it to me. That's why you're going to hell.
Yeah. Oh my god.
You heard that one?
Yeah.
Or you're just looking at this? Right?
Yeah, holy shit.
I know, pretty awesome, eh? Kind of scary, too.
It's like kind of scary and I like it.
I should go get the Go My A like this. Do you have Snadorix? No? Oh, let me... Oh, Go My A?
Ooh, freaky. You look so funny. It's gross. Do you need more paint? No, you're good.
No, I think it's good.
Okay, cool.
Does this stuff dry?
Yeah.
Okay.
Now look at this aftermath. Mess.
Vega front. Boy, I'm just kicking all over.
Yeah.
Hey, Blur, this will be better than the rubbish we had after moving that condo to Vega Prime.
That's because vegan food sucks. What's next?
Oh, the last job of the shift.
Excellent.
You probably won't feel that way when you find out where it is. Earth.
I wouldn't know. I can't see.
Just a little bit from the other window.
Oh, I'm reading a chart.
Moving a little bit of the blue.
Where do you need it? On the other side?
Yeah.
Pass it over the...
To me, number one.
It's gone.
Oh, right there? Or over here? Pass the lights first.
Here. On the side, we'll go through. Basically, the
Actually,
side. Just to fill a little bit from there.
Hey, you're pretty good yourself there.
I trust you.
what about...
Did you find your...
A little bit closer to the window.
I'm trying to get a character here. There.
Okay, can you get a little bit closer?
More.
Yeah, about there.
Lovely.
Yeah, can you turn it up a bit? There's a bit of a...
You know, originally the Flintstones. You know Flintstones?
Was it an adult show?
No, it was Jewish.
One more
It
stop?
was supposed to be the Flintstones. Never Dubba Jew. I mean, yeah, it was all
One more
the whole thing.
Yeah, a little bit
That's
more.
true.
No.
Okay, good. Good.
I did write the song with him, so
More?
I think that's good.
You want to see one more?
Yeah, okay, do one more.
From the town of Jerusalem, they're a page right out of the Torah. Terrible.
All right. Now, if you can go on the other side, and I think that red light,
Oh dear.
Yeah.
I need it just...
Big web.
Higher or lower?
If you can see where it's... The edge of where it's shining in through the window, if you can bring it back...
Oh, geez.
Backwards?
Yeah.
Move the light so that the light coming through the window is a bit closer to the corner.
Oh, well.
Does that make
He was
sense?
too busy being banged by a big bad bear.
Oh, getting your shit back in the closet.
God, I don't remember how much of it. That much of it, because I wrote it.
That should do, I think. All right.
I just finished the short film, which went really good. I can't wait to see it. It's about like two little like aliens in outer space, and like I don't even know. It's super cute though. The makeup went well. Actors super fun to work with. Producer slash director slash whatever. He was really fun too. His camera's like totally this. Anyway, I'm on the highway, so I'm gonna stop this now.